How to set up a home server in 10 minutes. Hello everyone, this is me Mehdi Shakil and you are watching sstech tutorial. So guys, in today's video I'm gonna step by step guide you how you can set up your own home lab server in under 10 minutes. You don't need to configure anything complicated on your home server. If you just had a computer which has installed any Linux based operating system, in my case Ubuntu Linux operating system, then you are ready to go. In under 10 minutes, you can easily set up your home lab server and you can run different type of server application on that home server. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do that. So without further ado, let's get started. But before that, if you're new to this channel, then please do subscribe this YouTube channel. And if you have already subscribed, then thank you so much. So guys, right now you can see my computer screen. I'm assuming that you have already installed a Ubuntu Linux operating system into your machine or server, and the server is up and running, and you can easily get SSH access into your server. So let me quickly access my server using the SSH. For this, I'm going to open up my terminal. Then I'm going to type here SSH, my username and my server IP address, then press enter and type the server password and press enter. So guys, here you can see I have installed the Ubuntu Linux operating system on my server as the primary OS of my server. Now let me guide you how you can set up it as a home lab server and can install and run different type of server application using simple graphical user interface. So first of all, what you need to do, you have to install curl on your server. So simply type this command sudo apt install curl. Then press enter, then type your root password and press enter. Now this command is going to install the curl tool on your Ubuntu server. And after that, open up any of your browser, then search on Google CasaOS. Then go to this first link, and this is the software we are going to use into our Ubuntu server to convert it as a free graphical user interface home lab server. If you want to see the demo of this CasaOS, click on live demo, then click on go to demo CasaOS. Then you will get this user interface. If it asks you to log in, use the username CasaOS and the password also CasaOS, and you will see this dashboard. We are going to set up this CasaOS dashboard into our own home server, and using this app store we can add different type of server application into your server. So let me guide you how you can do that. So from this page you have to copy this command. Just simply click on this icon to copy this command, then get back to your terminal, paste that command here, then press enter. And now it's going to install all the prerequisite application and packages into your Ubuntu server and set up this CasaOS operating system into your Ubuntu server. And when everything gets installed, you can easily access the web UI using the web browser. It's gonna take a while, so you have to wait until the CasaOS installation gets completed. Once the installation gets completed, it will print out the IP address of your server using the HTTP. You just need to copy this URL and paste it on your browser, and you can easily access the web user interface of the CasaOS of your home server. And if you want to uninstall it, you just need to run this command CasaOS install. So now let's quickly open up this URL using our browser. So again, get back to your browser, take another tab, in my case 192.168.0.200, then press enter and you will get this CasaOS dashboard. Click on go, and now here you need to create a user account to access the CasaOS dashboard. Type here your username, then type a password, confirm the password, then click on create, and it will create a user account on this CasaOS. Then click on accept, and this is the CasaOS dashboard running from your own server. And now using the dashboard, you can use your home lab server, configure it and install different type of server application. If you have multiple storage device connected like SSD, HDD, you can configure them from here. Click on settings, and here you will see multiple disk drive, whatever you connected with your server. Click on drive and you will see the drives. Now in my server, I have only one single storage, so that's why it's showing this one single drive. And also if you want to use the terminal from this dashboard, click on this terminal, click on connect, and you will get a terminal access of your server. Now let me show you how you can set up different type of application on this CasaOS or your own home lab server. Click on App Store, and here you will find different type of server application, whatever you can easily install it. Let's say if you want to install a AdGuard CNS server, just click on install and it should start installing. Now click on continue background. Like this, if you want to install multiple application, go to App Store, search for your desired application. Let's install a Brave web browser on our server. Click on install, then continue in background. And here you can see the application has been installed in your server. Let's again open up App Store, scroll down, and if you want you can install the Cloudflare web to access your home server from anywhere. Here you will find different type of server applications. If you want you can set up the Jellyfin and create your own media server. Scroll down. Here you can see if you want you can set up the Pi-hole DNS, you can set up Plex server, you can run Portainer and different type of application whatever you see listed here. And if you want to host a WordPress website you can also do so using this CasaOS application. So guys, like this, using this app store you can use different type of server application on your server. And also if you want to use it as a NAS you can easily do so. Click on files and here you can easily access all of the file. If you want to upload any files you can easily do so from here. Also if you want you can add multiple cloud-based storage in your home server. Click on location plus icon and here you can see you can add the Google Drive, Dropbox and OneDrive, all of these services. Also you can use it as a file drop service. So guys, that's all for today. That's how you can easily set up your own home lab server under 10 minutes. I hope you liked this video. If you really like this video and enjoyed this video then please give it a big thumbs up and share this video with your friends. And guys, if you're new to this channel then please do subscribe this YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the latest upcoming video tutorial notification. I'm Mehdi Shakil, you're watching this tech tutorial and I'm signing out.